guys, what up? It's me. I'm back, and I'm playing a game. This is what it sounds like right now in the game. It sounds like this. That's what I'm listening to right now. Well, I'm playing Skywars right now on Roblox. I upgraded my skin. It's new. Sick. Christmas is in 14 days. 2 weeks until Christmas. We're all glad. I can't wait for Christmas too, because then I'll be recording on my new computer. Which I broke my school computer. I did not mean to. I got mad. Or I didn't get mad, but I did not get mad. Wait. Please, no. Please. No, kill me. No, kill me. I'm a dangerous kid. Hey, that's sick. I like this. It's so much easier. Wait. No! I'm sad. I'm sad now. I died. I failed. There's a little Santa. There's Christmas mode on this. Sadly, I don't have VIP. I got 40 coins. I'm saving up for... I only have 6 Robux left, so I'm saving up wins on this game. I'm going to be saving it all up. So when I do get enough wins, I'll be getting armor and stuff. Almost get the wooden armor first. I don't know how many wins I have. My friend has 10 wins, and I have 6 wins. You need 16 something to get into here. Here. What's in there is some good stuff. Guys, if you could really do me a favor, some of you guys that watch my videos don't like the video and subscribe. If you subscribe and like my video, I'll choose one lucky winner and I'll give away 3 Robux to that one lucky winner. Okay? But all you have to do is hit the like button on every video, subscribe, turn on notifications, and write down your Roblox username. And you might have a chance to win some Robux. Once I figure out how to trade Robux. I'm not using the arrow keys because that would just do this. So I'm using WSAD and that's letting me do this. But seriously, I'm telling the truth. I will give you Robux if you like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and go into the chat, type in your Roblox username, and you might have a chance to win some Robux from me. I'm not lying. Shoot, that wasn't a smart idea. No, if this was better, if this was easier to do, I'd win this easily. Christmas is coming up, and comment down what you want for Christmas. If you want to meet me in person, Well, I'll tell you where I live. I live in Bangor, in New Capehart, 130 Langley Street. Okay? If you ever want to visit me, just come knock on my door. But it can't be on a school day. It has to be on a weekend. Or it has to be at 3 o'clock. Or somewhere at 3 o'clock. Like 3:30 or something like that. If you ever want to meet me in person, just there. Oh, I wish coronavirus never happened. Well, no, please don't kill. Please don't kill me. Please. No, please. Don't. Please. Please. I'm recording. I am. Check out my channel. Check out my channel. Connor Plays. Connor Plays. Oh my god. I want to get the Mega VIP so bad. Oh, well, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye.